A summary block pulls content from your site's collections and presents them on a separate page in a wall, carousel, list, or grid design. To add a summary block to a page or post, click an insert point and select a summary block based on how you want your content to initially display. First, we'll try out the wall layout and display content from our gallery page. The wall layout will position items in a masonry-style grid based on the available space, giving it the look of a mosaic. Each layout has its own options. The wall layout lets you set your column width, gutter width, text size and alignment, and metadata position, which refers to things like publication date, author, tags, categories, and location. Within the Display tab, you can choose how many items to present and filter the information you would like to show. Different page types have a few unique options of their own. For example, if you choose to display content from an events page, you will be able to filter upcoming or past events. If you were to use a products page, the summary block would also let you show the price of your products. And using a blog page for your summary block, you can include read more links for each post. Let's take a look at the other display options. You can set the number of items to feature within your summary block, as well as what primary information you'd like to share, such as titles or thumbnails. You can also choose what primary and secondary metadata to display, or select none. Some other great features are the category, tag, and featured post filters. These let you filter the summary block to only show items with a certain category or tag, as well as the option to only display featured posts. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.